3, 4. He's one of those. Where are they? Can you collect them for me? Come here. Rosan. You don't have foreigners here? You don't have foreigners here? You do not have foreigners here. All people that are employed here are South Africans.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you have their document?
Document?
Yes.
Yeah. ID.
IDs, bank statement. How do you pay them? How do you pay them?
I pay for cash.
Cash? Are you paying them cash? South Africans? They do not have accounts. They don't. Why do you not open them accounts? Why do you not call the bank, come here because you're a businessman and open them accounts? Why are you saying we're not doing that?
No.
These envelopes are for salaries for them. What is this for?
For price, man.
For price.
Yeah.
Okay. So why are you paying them on hand?
I always
Answer my question. Why? They do not have bank account. Did you request those bank accounts from them?
No.
Listen here. From today on, how much are they earning? Ni hola Manila.
1.2 myself.
Eh?
1.2 per week.
Give week. No can hold 1.2 give week. No can give you 1.2. Okay. Are you giving them 1.2 a week, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. You're going to chop up 200 rand on top. That's going to 1.4 a week. Why I'm saying this? This thing that they're doing here, there are wardrobes here and so many things which are very heavy. So there are ladies like this one. So you're going to add 200 rand on top of that? One. How many hours a day working?
Oh, yeah.
How many hours? Yeah, an employer, but you don't even know how many hours a day working.
How many hours? From 8 to 5.
Start
8 to 5.
And 1 hour for lunch.
8 to 5.
Yeah.
9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's fine. Odd hours, it's okay. But you must fix this thing of bank account. Are they registered with Department of Labor? Did they have Provident Fund?
I pay UIF.
How could you pay UIF while you're giving them on hand? That means you're stealing their money again.
Huh?
Yes, you're stealing their money. How could you pay Provident Fund while you're giving them on
By hands.
How could you pay Provident Fund, UIF, while you're paying them on cash?
No, nangusesikala ukuthi my sister bafika ba Department of Labor bakuveza ukuthi ngathi uyabakhokhela ngale.
Department of Labor ubhadara bona ukuthi abafishe lamanyofonyofo abawenzayo. We know that we are also up to into ka labor. Bayayazi ukuthi ngisemva kwabo even Department of Labor uBargaining Council bayazi ngisemva kwabo. Siyagijimisana plus uSSMA. Because labantu laba baphatha namhlanje befuna ukuxoxa leka did they have contracts? Show me one contract of your own of one of them. Bring me the contract of one of them. Contract, employment contract. Bring it.
Kanjani UIF ngomqashile permanent.
Bring me employment contract. Okay, Chief. Because you are failing to communicate with me, we're going to close the shop. We're not going to cooperate today until you fix all these problems. Provident Fund, UIF, register these people with
Contract.
Department of Labor and contract. Because this thing of not employing these people permanently, it makes you that if you fail to fire him today, you can even fire him or her. Tomorrow you employ the other one, of which you're not going to tolerate.
Agreement.
Ngibengazwela namanje.
Insizwa zakithi ningaba la eSouth Africa nina noma nifuna ukuxoshwa ngimi simfundisa aqasha somlethela phela ama CV bangabe nani kunixaka because isiyungisela nina la Chief usayini contract
Ithini contract ayisayinile?
usayini contract unayo lokhu ubhadala ngezandla lama wardrobe mengena lapho ukwazi ngathi Ungabe nenjongona ningakhuluphalisa niphinde nithule ningafuna ukuthi ni-cooperate because ayikho umuntu ozomxosha lo ngeke zimxoshe lo into esiyithatha ukuthi anregister esiyithatha ukuthi kube nama-contract because if namhlanje kwatiswa intombi yakhe iminta yona afike namhlanje thela kufaka indlela sasho uqasha omuntu uzoxosha usho ukuthi awazi kuya kusesisem nalo muntu ngoba akakwazi nangomazi angihlangene anihlanganisayo angithi manje ngizocela nami nangikube nje ngizomlethela ama-CV abantu engizomphoqa ukuthi akabaqashi mase ngabe niwethu ufuna ukucooperate nathi because we have a right to do that. There's a lot of people around him abafuna umsebenzi. So the shop will be closed from now on, Chief, until you fix the matter. You understand? The shop will be closed, and why?
Who tell you I must close?
I'm the one who's telling you you're going to.
You are for government or for what?
You're going to close the shop now.
Yeah, not the
Are you
land,
refusing?
not everything.
Are you
Who
refusing?
tell you I must close? Yeah.
First of all, you didn't even introduce your document of being South African. Where are the documents? Your document from where you coming from? To
You are not for government.
Who told you so?
Huh?
Who told
You
you?
got any letter from that one?
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
yes, you know English. Chief, listen, the shop will be closed right now. I'm not playing games with you.
You can't close my shop.
You will see. Ukala senza kanjani? Isitolo siyasivala lesi njengamanje. Siyasivala isitolo. Angizwa. Tsela. Sangonke niyaphuma siyavala isitolo. Siyasivala isitolo. We're not playing games with you. This is South Africans are you playing with? Hey, Puma Nuzan. South Africa is stolen. Kuri kaji kali pants le.